protect me.
I hate this fucking game.
Ah, dude, Major's getting these jump shots.
Yeah, because the shotgun shoots straight no matter what.
You're
Unlike
loading,
other
like,
guns.
slugs into it or something. Guy, I'm like positive coming up, like.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm not freaking dead.
Yeah, how are you not dead? I just want to say.
Come on!
How is he not dead? First of all.
Finally!
Finally.
What the heck? Why are you not? Why?
I was like, how are you not dead?
Like, why are these people not killing me?
We don't even have a competent fucking player. Oh my god. Besides Jackbox, so what other game? Like when I say like we need a game to play, like, I don't really consider Jackbox a long-term game. I mean, I kind of want to play a long-term game. It's not even that fucking funny. I listened to it. It's not that fucking funny.
I don't know, you stole my kill. Oh my god, this guy just keeps stealing my kill.
Kill him. You won't steal this kill.
Okay,
I'm just gonna fucking death him.
yeah.
Dude, literally put me in the